Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm going to again solving the different kinds of question related to our electronics. Okay, likewise our uh, usual day, I'm going to present the new kinds of question related to electronics. These questions are mainly so many time asking Q exam, MSc entrance exam from the chapter electronics. Likewise, this question today uh, I'm continuing from question number 35. If the load resistance, yes, we have given one Zener diode, it contains a load resistance. We have given one Zener diode. We have given one Zener diode. There contain a load resistance. There contain a load resistance. If the load resistance decrease in Zener regular, means Zener diode or Zener regulator, if the load resistance is decreased in Zener regulator, if the load resistance is decreased in Zener regulator, then Zener current will be decreased or stay same or increase or none. Yes. Option number question number 35 is the right option, is option number A. If the load resistance decrease in Zener diode, if the load resistance decrease in Zener diode, then Zener current is also decrease. Means, we know V is equal to IR. This is the simple format related to this question. Okay, we have given load resistance R. Okay, we have given load resistance R. Here we have given load resistance R in Zener diode. Okay, Zener diode, R is directly proportional to I. This is the key concept where in Zener diode, if the load resistance decrease, then it directly proportional to I, it is also decrease. If the load resistance decrease in Zener diode, then Zener current, this current is known as Zener current, it is also decreases. Okay, but generally I is inversely proportional to R. If the resistance is decreased, current is increased. But in our Zener regulator, if the load resistance is decreased, then it also decreases the Zener current. It also decreases the Zener current. Okay, this is our first question of this session. Now I am going to write the next question. Okay, next question is that a Zener diode, we have given 4 options. Question number 36. Question number 36. Question number 36. Yes, we have given a Zener diode or Zener diode is a battery, Option B, act like a battery in the breakdown region. Act like a battery in the breakdown region. Option C. Option C has a barrier potential. Has a barrier potential. Has a barrier potential. Has a barrier potential. Option D. This option D, none of above, none. Yes, what is the Zener diode? This question mainly related to what is Zener diode. Okay, Zener diode is a battery, or it act like a battery in the breakdown region, or has a barrier potential, or none. Which is the correct option among these four options? First, we know about the Zener diode. Zener diode is a diode which act like a battery, in the breakdown region. Zener diode is like a battery. Yes, it is a battery. It is one kind of battery, but it is like to be a battery. It is like to a battery where the breakdown region is occurred in the given circuit. Okay. And next question. This is our option. Right option is option B. Next question. Question number 37. Question number 37 is that Zener diode can be used as Zener diode can be used as we have right here answer. Okay, option A, right here, option A, DC voltage regulator only. DC voltage regulator only. Option B, AC voltage regulator only. Option C, AC and DC voltage regulator. Option D, none. Okay. Zener diode is used as a DC voltage regulator only, AC voltage regulator only. Both DC and AC, none of the above. Its right answer is option number C. Yes, Zener diode can be used as a AC and DC voltage regulator, where we need to convert AC to DC and DC to AC voltage, or in general, if there is need one AC and DC voltage controller or regulator, and there we should use Zener diode, and this is the option number C. Question number 13 is the right option, is option number C. Similarly, question number 36 is the right option, is option number B. A Zener diode act as a battery in the breakdown region. Okay, and Zener diode is one kind of battery in breakdown region. Similarly, Zener diode can be used as a AC and DC voltage regulator. If the load resistance decrease in Zener regulator, then current is decreased. in Zener diode, if the load resistance is decreased, then the Zener current is increases. These are our question related to electronics. Okay, now I'm going to solve the next question. Okay, question is like just next question. When the graph of the current versus voltage is a straight line, the device is referred to as a linear. When the graph of the current versus voltage, when the graph of the current versus voltage is a straight line, straight line, straight line, the device is referred as active, option first, active, option second, linear, option third, non-linear. Okay, non-linear, option D, passive. Yes, we have given one next question. When the graph of the current versus voltage is a straight line, if we plot a graph between the current, suppose this is our current coordination and this is our voltage coordination, and this represent the voltage coordination, this straight line represent the current, and this vertical line represent the current, and this horizontal line represent the voltage. Okay, this is our origin point O. When the graph of the current versus voltage is a straight line, the device referred as straight line means the line which passes from the origin is a straight line. This is our straight line. Okay, and if we plot a graph between current and voltage, right? If we plot a graph between current and voltage, then we obtain one straight line which passes through the origin, means we get a straight line. Then this straight line represent the which device? Active device, linear device, non-linear device, passive device. Okay, its right answer is option number B, linear. Yes, we know linear line always gives a linear, means linear device is give a straight line which passes through the origin. Okay, please, it should be keep in mind for your entrance exam. Yeah, I'm going to write the next question. Question number 39. What kind of device is a resistor? Question number 39. What kind of device what kind of device is a resistor? What kind of device is a resistor? Option A, unilateral. Option B, linear. Option C, non-linear. Option D, bipolar. Yes, what kind of device is a resistor? Okay, resistor is an unilateral device. What kind of device is a resistor? Unilateral device, or the resistor is a kind of unilateral device. Unilateral type of device is a resistor. Unilateral types of device is known as a resistor. Its correct answer is option number A. Similarly, I am going to write the next question number 40. Okay, question number 40 is that what kind of device is a diode? What kind of device is a diode? Option number A, bilateral. Option number B, linear. Option number C, bilateral, linear. Option number C, non-linear. Option number D, unipolar. What kind of device is a diode? Diode is what kind of device? Like that, our resistor is a unilateral device. Similarly, what kind of device is a diode? Diode is what kind of device? It may be bilateral, it may be non-linear, it may be unipolar. If you shorten, if you fix, if you confidently say that this is our bilateral kind of device, this is our linear kind of device, this is our non-linear kind of device, this is our unipolar device. Okay, its right option is diode is non-linear kind of device. Okay, our resistor is a unilateral kind of device, but our diode is a non-linear kind of device. Similarly, next option, question number 41. Okay, question number 41 is that how is a non-conducting diode biased? How is a non-conducting diode is biased? Is biased, B-A-I-S-E-D. How is a non-conducting device is biased? Option A, non-conducting device, forward bias, option B, inverse, option C, poorly biased, option D, reverse biased. And its right answer is option number C. If the non-conducting diode is biased, then its biasing process is poorly biased. Okay, yes, these are our three